Outside.
I'm foreign with it.
Tell the people.
What you mean, man? Look now, man.
Outside.
An international restaurant. My beautiful friend says she don't want to go on the camera, so we now put her on the camera. Now put her on the camera, yeah. What a place the name?
Jamaica Kitchen.
Jamaica Kitchen. Jamaica Kitchen. What the avenue name?
Mount Vernon Avenue.
Mount Vernon. You see, say no lie me, I telling you, man. Mount Vernon Avenue, no man. Look, no man. Look for my people, them, no man. I be a Jamaican in there, no man. See fire there, man. Big up our St. Mary massive. You understand? Big up our St. Anne's massive. New York with it. We don't know one Jamaica walk by. Him not really talk much, you know. He say listen no. But he give me a warm welcome. See them drinking a beer.
Jamaica Kitchen.
Jamaica, you the boss?
Yeah, Jamaica Kitchen.
So, may I give a big endorsement to Jamaica Kitchen. You understand massive? So right on Mount Vernon Avenue with it.